Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today I am discussing about the letter of Muhammad Iqbal to Qaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah on 7th October 1937. So in this letter he wrote about four main issues, and the first one is about communal award conference. So this is in communal award conference. This at that time this conference is going to happen, and he wrote to Qaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah that the unionist Muslims are going to attend this conference under the leadership of Sir Sikandar Hayat Khan, and Sir Sikandar Hayat Khan was the head of unionist party at that time. So Iqbal wants to say that you are the only hope of the Muslim, and you should go there to represent Muslims, and as a representative of Muslims you should go at this conference, because the Sir Sikandar Hayat will not be able to present the Muslims in the right way at that conference, because he doesn't know about the situation that the Muslims have faced and they were facing and they will face in the future. So you should go there at this conference and you should present the Muslims in the right way as the situation they have faced and they will face in future. And the second point he discusses in his letter is the issue of Palestine people and Muslim of Arab. So this was the also main and important issue of that time. So Iqbal discusses also about this issue. And the third one is the unity of the Muslims. He also wrote about the unity of Muslims, that in Punjab and Sindh the British government favoring the Hindu, and they have made attempts to misguide the Muslims. So this is threat to our unity, for the unity of whole Muslims, and they want to disperse the Muslims. So this what we want to this we need to know about this, that they want to disperse us, and this is the threat and attack on unity of Muslims. And the fourth and last point, he discusses about the strategy about the league to make it strong. So he want to say that you should go to the conference as the representative of Muslims, and you should raise the issue of Palestine and Muslim of Arab at that conference. By doing so, the large number of people and masses will attract towards our league, and this strategy will make the league strong. So it would be better and helpful to our league as well as the people of Palestine and the Muslims of Arab. So this is all about the letter of Muhammad Iqbal. Thank you.